So the things needed for the EWA AGOYIN is beans. I have 2 cups of beans here, crayfish, I have onions for the sauce, and then I have palm oil, I have salt, maggi. I normally do not use this. I use the African cube maggi, but you know, I ran out of it and I had to go to Walmart and I got this one. I have my plantain, and I have my pepper, bell pepper, tomatoes, and onions, and rodo for the sauce. Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. So I have my pot ready with water, and then I wash my beans in it. So my beans and then onions, we're gonna cover it for like 45 minutes or more, because we really want the beans to be very, very, very soft, so we can mash it. When it's really soft, we will be able to mash the beans. So 45 minutes. So I have my bleached palm oil here, and then I'm gonna put in the onions.